Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to mute camera shutter sound in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and I want to mute your camera shutter sound, so let's see how you can do that. You have to simply open your camera and then click on these dots, then click on settings. Now in settings, you might not get any option to mute your camera shutter sound. But if you still want to mute that, so you have a single way. You just have to go to your settings, scroll down, go to sound and vibration. Now I recommend whenever you are using your camera, you have to put your phone on mute or on silent mode. So once you are in silent mode, your camera shutter sound will not work, or you're unable to get any shutter sound here. Or once you unmute it or go to sound mode or vibrate mode, so you might get shutter sound here. So in this way, you can easily mute your shutter sound in Samsung S17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.